What's up, guys? Hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day. Recently, I was trying to install Adobe Photoshop in my PC, but after installing when I play it, I have this error. So many users are still facing this problem, so I thought to make a video on it. In this video, we will know how to fix these errors. So keep watching. Before fixing this issue, you need to know if your Windows is installed as a 64 or 32-bit version. You don't need to know what this exactly means, you just need to know the number. To find it out, just right-click on your PC icon and click on Properties. Once you reach this place, you will have your operating system straight to the System Type option. Once you know it, move to this site from the link in the description. Just scroll some in the downward direction and download the package related to your operating system. Once you download it, open up the setup. Tick the mark and start the installation. Once it got installed, you need to restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, the missing DLL files will get installed automatically. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it, and if it helped you, leave a like, make sure to be subscribed and press the bell icon to not miss any other video.